Hello everyone, welcome to Medicostham. In our previous video, we have discussed how you can make a proper routine and stick with it in the upcoming 60 days to score maximum marks in the NEET exam. Now some of our viewers has requested us to make a video on important topics for NEET exam. So in this video, we are going to discuss about some important topics and chapters from the subject physics. Now please remember, the analysis we are going to show you is based on NEET 2019 question papers. Okay, so let's start with physics. First of all, we are going to discuss the topics from class 11. So here are the class 11 topics, you can see. So question has been asked from all the topics like physical world and measurements, kinematics, laws of motion, and if you see the percentage, 2% question was from physical worlds and measurements, almost 3% question was from kinematics, 3% was from laws of motion. So each and every chapter is important, but as you can see the division of percentage, we can focus more on kinematics and laws of motion than physical world and measurement. But that definitely doesn't mean that you should neglect physical world and measurement. Okay, give equal importance in all the topics. Let's see the next slide. Here is the next slide where you can see question as asked from work, energy and power, then from gravitations. Now if you see the subtopics, there is an important things, almost 5% question is being asked from motion of system of particles and rigid bodies, almost 5% question, and as a whole from work, energy and power consists 4% of the question. Gravitation as a whole 2% question, and the subtopic properties of bulk matter consists almost 3% question. So these division of percentage is important, according to which we can focus on important topics. Like under the chapter work, energy and power, most of the question has been asked from the chapter motion of the system of particles and rigid bodies. Okay, but question from other subtopics has also come, so don't neglect any topic. Give importance, rather more importance in these topics where more question has been asked. Okay, so let's see the next slide. Here is the next slide. Now see, this one is important. Almost 9% question has been asked from thermodynamics. Okay, and from the chapter behavior of perfect gas and kinetic theory 3%, oscillation and waves 3%. So thermodynamics is very important. You can easily understand from this slide, 9% question has been asked from thermodynamics itself. So please give more importance in chapters like thermodynamics, work, energy, powers, kinematics. Okay, and these chapters like behavior of perfect gas and kinetic theory, these are easy topics, easy chapters. So mainly formula based, you put the values and you get the answer, so no need to neglect them. Okay, so these are all the topics and chapters from class 11. Now let's start about the class 12 chapters. Okay, so see this slide carefully. Almost 9% question is asked from electrostatics, then again from current, electricity 8% question, magnetic effect of current and magnetism consists of 5% question, and from electromagnetic inductions and alternating current 8% question. Okay, so you can easily understand that these chapters are from class 12 where maximum number of question is coming. So you can emphasize more on class 12 chapters and topics, but at the same time don't neglect the class 11 chapters also, because you have to perform equally good in all the chapters, in all the topics. Okay, now let's see this. 10% question from optics. 10% question is from optics, and from dual nature of matter and radiation consists of 6% question, from atoms and nuclei 3% question, from electronic devices 9% questions. So these analysis suggesting that in previous year question paper, majority of the question, at least in physics, has came from class 12 chapters. Okay, and some of these chapters are really quite easy. You just have to put the values in formulas and you will get the answer. So try to identify this kind of chapters like the electronic devices, atoms and nuclei, dual nature of matter and radiation. Majority of these chapters are formula based. You just need to put the values. Okay, so just don't neglect it. And from those chapter where question is coming a bit less in number, don't neglect those topics also. Always remember that to secure a good rank, you have to do good in all the 3 subjects, and for that purpose you need to cover and revise all the topics and all the chapters. All the chapters are equally good and you can expect at least 1 question from each chapter. Okay, I'm repeatedly telling, don't neglect any chapters or any topics in any subject. Okay, in our next slide we are going to sum up all the important topics in physics. So that's all for today. In our upcoming videos, we will give you important topics from biology and chemistry also. Please stay in touch with our channel and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you and all the best for your exam.